What can I say? It's a very exciting day in the Botanko household because today I have a brand new generator that claims that it will be able to power a Vitamix. And you don't understand how big this is. So I've probably tested 3 or 4 of these things that all claimed that they could power a Vitamix, and it's failed every single time. Vitamixes are great, they're extremely powerful, but the trouble with them is that they require a lot of amps. And while a lot of generators can handle X amount of watts, their amperage isn't up to par in order to run a Vitamix. But supposedly the Inergy Kodiak, this puppy right here, is going to change all that. And what this means is, if this works, I will be able to make smoothies abroad, on tops of mountains, on the beach, anywhere I travel to, and I won't be reliant on home power. So this is going to be the maiden voyage. I'm going to see if this Vitamix 7500 series blender can blend up some kale, mango, frozen blueberries, and frozen blackberries. And just so you know that I'm not cheating, see, look, this thing is a self-contained unit. It's not plugged into the wall. Same goes with the Vitamix. And I'm going to plug it straight into this Kodiak. Boom. Ooh, I'm a little nervous. Okay, so no sense dilly-dallying, let's just hop to it. So I turn the generator on, and here we go. And that, my friends, is how you make a smoothie. Oh, needs a little bit more. I spoke too soon. Here we go. It's extra thick today too, so it was an extra workload on the blender. Look at that. That is a well-blended green smoothie that I can now make anywhere. Woo! Naturally, I'm going to experiment with both these items. Eventually down the road, I'm going to do an in-depth review about this Inergy Kodiak generator. And of course, my beautiful green Vitamix will probably make it into a couple videos too. Cheers to that.